Oh, it's a hot one. 31 degrees. I got getting fed up with having nowhere to store water bottles. So what I've done, is bought one of these collapsible washing up bowls. I'm getting rid of the sink so I can just wash up and then empty my water in the bush. I'm going to lose my wastewater barrel because it stinks. Whether you empty it, clean it or not, it stinks. And then I can store 4 5-litre water bottles of fresh water in there, along with that, which is 12.5 litres. It'll give me 32.5 litres. I'll keep the tap, and then the bowl will go there when I want it, and away under the bed when I don't want it. Yeah, it's all about storage in small vans like this. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. In fact, I'll take that out now, fill up with water, and go off to Stonehenge. Oh, it's a hot one. I'm at Stonehenge and it's so quiet. The other day I was here, there was tons and tons of visitors for Stonehenge walking along that path there. No one today, it's just too hot, it's keeping them away. A few vans up there, caravan and a couple of tents. I'm in my shorts. So quiet. Bit of a breeze, which is nice. When I first got here, it was still in the hottest part of the day. I was sweating like a glass blower's arse cheeks, I tell you. Yeah, I think Ant from Ant's Vanlife is coming up later. So, might have a little meet, see who's about. I recognise a van up there, but I can't remember who it is. Up there somewhere. This big grey one with tilted solar panels on the roof. So that's you. You're on Instagram. Shoot me a message. Beautiful. Probably going to get a wicked sunset over there tonight. A helicopter flying over there. Yeah, this is when it's at its best, Stonehenge, when it's quiet like this. Not too bad in the van though. Sitting out that heat. Got my little USB fan going, which actually moves quite a bit of air for a little 5-volt one. I've got my roof vent fan blowing air in. Actually got a bit of a breeze going through here. It's quite nice. It's not so hot in the van as it is out there. Sun's starting to go down and it's still roasting hot. Oh. No fun in a van in that weather. But what a view. Never gets boring, this place. Look who's here. Say hello, Ant.
Hello, Ant.
It's Ant's Vanlife.
Don't do videos anymore.
Yeah, he don't do videos anymore. Don't like it.
Right.
Up there, up the drove up there. See those vans there? Project Amber's up there. But look at that cloud in the background at the end of the drove. Doesn't that look like a mushroom cloud? It's kind of cool.
Yeah, the pink one's over there, look.
Yeah, sun's going down, so they're all turning pink now. It's actually starting to cool down a little bit at last. Stones round about there. Ant's just checked his solar panel and it's filthy. You've done it for a while?
Yeah. Can we hold the camera and show 'em?
Yeah.
Hold on a minute. You shoot this one up.
This be YouTube gold if he falls off.
Yeah, it will. Got it a long way round, huh?
Is that sexy shorts he made out of a curtain?
Yeah.
Give him a show then.
There you go. That's what my panel looks like. That's dirty. Super dirty. You're supposed to clean your panel at least, I don't know, every month. I haven't done this for a while. That's salt. Salt. Cornwall. There you go. My right.
We have to get out there and clean it now, innit? Better check mine now. Trouble is, where it's been hot and dry, Stonehenge Drove just turns to dust. As you can see. Yeah, even mine's filthy. And I did mine the other week. Let's get up and give it a clean. Nice easy way of doing it. Look at that. Yeah, nice clean panel now. And it's actually out there washing this. Is it that bad?
Yeah, it's not salt, isn't it?
Free power, baby. Look at the crowds up there. Just constant queue of people coming down that path over there. It's not just the walkers, there's buses arriving with people all the time. English Heritage are doing well today. Unfortunately, Ant hasn't fallen off. So go and bob with his ladder. Right, I think I'm going to leave the video there, guys. I'm going to head off back to Dorset, restock up with water and that, grab my partner, and then we're off out somewhere else for a couple of days. But I'll save that for another video. See you on the next one.